Good morning. Okay, it's time to take the oatmeal soap out of the mold. It has been drying overnight and I'm going to cut it. So this side needs to be upright. So now I'm just about to cut it and then I'm going to put it on the drying rack, guys, and let it dry. And this would be great for eczema, real sensitive skin, like for people that break out from everything. This would be the bar for you. My oatmeal bar. So I'm just cutting it. Don't let it dry. And it has the dried oats on the top. So I just wanted to show you guys the finishing results. So I made a bath my grandbaby with this. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching.